In this video today, I'm going to show you how I got started on this custom diamond painting that I've created. I will link in the description the video where I described how I prepared this PDF file and then how I loaded it in the Pattern Keeper app on my cell phone. So I have kitted up my project and I've prepared my blank canvas. So what I've done here is I have put a border with masking tape around the workable area, and then to make it easier I have labeled every 10 spaces. And where I am going to start, I am going to start in the bottom left corner. And so I've got my Pattern Keeper loaded here, and so I'm going to start with these squares right here. Alright, and I think that I am going to start with these little down triangles here, so I'm going to click on the search icon and then I'm going to just select one of those. And down here it tells me that's number 3777. Okay, so I found 3777. So I'm going to pour it into my tray. And I'm just going to look at this. And it's going to start 3 up from the 140 position. So here's 140. So it skips 3. And so this is going to be my first placement right there. And the one I just placed is this one right here. And then I'm just going to continue to place all the ones that are in the grid here. Alright, so now I have completed all the ones of this color in this section right here that I'm working in right now. And so I'm just going to click on the check mark here to mark them as done. And now I'm going to go for the next one. So next I think I'm going to try is these straight dash down. So I'm going to look at the search tool again. And then I'm just going to click on one of those. And that tells me that's 422. So I need to put the stuff I'm working on right now away, and then I'm going to pull 422 and I'll lay these down. Okay, and I just realized that I had my Pattern Keeper scrolled over so I was in the wrong space. So all these that I just placed, I put in the wrong position. So I've got to move everything over by 4. And because of that, I also missed some of those, so I need to lay those down. Okay, I got some release paper because I kept putting my arm on the sticky part here, so I am going to put some release paper down, quit putting my arm on it. Okay, I put some more release paper down just so that I don't want to go beyond the 20 mark if I can help it. And so I'm just going to continue these 6 blocks, or these 8 blocks actually. So this area right here is the area that I am working on. Now, one thing I've started doing to help me find my place, since so many of these colors are so similar, and as I'm moving over, I find that I'm losing my spot. So I'm just using my tweezers here to kind of point to the area that I'm working at, and so it makes it a lot easier to try and find where I'm at. Okay, and now I've got my first section finished, and all I'll have to do when I go on to my next is I'll remove this release paper. I will set it to the 40, and I'll move this over a couple more, and I am ready to start on this next section. And thank you for watching. Bye!